Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Umaira Saeed, lecture English Times Institute, and today we are with the lecture number 4 of the technical writing, and the topic for today is report. What is report? What is the report writing? What are the main elements of the report writing? We will discuss it today, and we will assign a topic today for your assignment as well. So stay connected with your CRs and GRs, and do check your group because the topic will be there. So before discussing the report, it is very important to know that, as we discussed in the earlier, that the more you read, the more you speak, the more you listen, the more you write, and the more you write, the more you read. So these all the 4 communication skills are interconnected. So report writing is one of the basic skills from the writing, and report writing is not so easy because there are so many types of the report writing. And for today we have chosen the particular set of writing the report. This lecture is going to be in the 2 parts. In the part 1 of this lecture we discuss the report writing and the business report, and one of informal report, whereas in the lecture 2, which will be the part of this lecture, we discuss the market report, what are the main elements of the market report, and we discuss another informal report as well. So pick out your pencils and the papers and draw the structure which I have drawn already on the whiteboard. So dear students, as I mentioned that in writing skills, the report is a basic element. So what is report we discuss in later, but just focus on this structure which I have drawn for you. This is an hierarchy, that there is a report. So the report is of 2 types, informal and formal. Like the informal communication, we discussed that informal communication in which very informal words are used, which is very common, routine, and the formal, some formal patterns, some headings, some subheadings are required, some monogram is used. The formal is further divided into long reports and the short reports. Long reports are the special reports, short reports are the routine reports, and the special reports are compartmentalized as the market report, and the shortest report which is the routine report, and this is the business report. But there are so many other types of the report: progress report, a student report, monthly report, yearly report, character report, your product report, then your patient report. It means that the reports are of different categories. Now it depends upon us that which report is considered to be the special and which is considered to be the very common. If I jump into the educational sector, we find that there are so many kind of reports. You may name it: number 1, attendance report; number 2, your assignment report; your presence report; your activity report; then your subject report; then the teacher student coordination report, PTM report, your fee report, your yearly progress report, semester report. If I move into another reports like the hospitals, then there is a patient report, heart report, blood pressure report, kidney report. Okay, if I move into the development of the child, then the speaking report, then the behavior report. It means that there are different reports, but I have chosen only the business report for today's session because the business report is very much important. There are so many exciting things coming on, and you will enjoy this business report, and I have tried my level best to make it so easy for you. So let's start with this. If I say the business report, your question will be very valid. If you ask me, ma'am, you are talking and repeatedly about the report, so what actually report is? But a report is a document in which there is identification of a problem, then there is a suggestions, a series, a sequential suggestions, there will be decisions and the implementation. As I said that the business report is a very informal report, so let us discuss the business report. But a business report is sometimes in the form of memo, in the form of some notices, in the form of some emails or letters, As far as the length of this business report is concerned, it is of 1 or the 2 pages or maximum 3 pages, and there is a particular style of writing the business report. And as we will go to practice these reports as well, so you will be more familiar with making of these reports. While making the business report, the most important elements are subject, headings, subheadings, and then you will start and go with some reference like reference letter. Then you will move into your problem, suggestions, and then you will give for the decisions and later on the implementations. Now let me give you a very simple example. These days in the pandemic, I come to know, or maybe you used to have a newspaper at your home, that in the previous days the wheat, the sugar and number of the life-saving drugs were reserved by some people or by some departments. And the government then arranged a committee, they assembled the people so that they may investigate the problem, that why most the life-saving drugs are in shortage, why the wheat is not available, why this sugar mafia is like hovering over the head of the people, why this is so. So they made the particular report, which was the business report, that there was a human created shortage of the wheat and the sugar. That's why most of the wheat and the sugar producing sectors reserve it so that they may sell it on a high prices. They prepare a report. On the basis of that report, they identify a problem, suggestions were giving, they make a kind of decision, and then they implement these decisions by following their rules and the regulations according to the Pakistan Penal Code. And that's how now every medicine, the sugar and the wheat is easily available in the market. So report is very much important for making a particular to highlight an issue. If you highlight that in my residing area there are so many street crimes, one of the reporter will come, he will investigate the issue, he will identify problem, he will give the suggestion, then the rules will be implemented by the law enforcement agency. But when we move for the business point of view, so there are two things. This is the market and this is your business. So there are so many businesses. Maybe you are running like some cloth business, there are some mobile phone companies, there are some sugars, there are some wheats, there are some who are running the shoes, those who are dealing with some branded clothes, there are some who are dealing with some leathers. So in the market there are so many businesses being run by the different people. And when you need to know that how this business is developed more than the other business, you just search out the market, you develop your business. If you are working in a bank and your high authorities from the Lahore said you just give a recce of the Multan that we want to open our new branch of our bank in the Multan city, which will be the suitable area of opening a new branch. What you will do? You will make a report. The report will be that there are so many already functional branches of other banks in Multan, but this XYZ area is much in need of the bank. There are so many people who cannot move from their homes, who cover a long distance to just swap their card. So then you will make a feasibility report. On the basis of that report, a new branch of that bank will be open. Next example is, if you are running an institute and if you want to open another branch of an institute, suppose one branch is in Gulgasht and you want to open another branch. So your team will recce whole of the Multan and you find that Shah Rukh-e Alam or some Mumtazabad or the Kent is the most appropriate places to open another branch of this institute, because most of the student cannot approach your institute because of the longer distance. and because of unavailable of government transport. So what they do, that they will open here their new institute. So this is how we make a business report. As I mentioned you students, that while writing the business report, there must be some subject on it. Subject must be like opening a new branch, opening a new or launching a new cell phone. There are so many cell phones already existed in market, but your company is now launching another mobile phone. Maybe your mobile phone would have wings, maybe your mobile phone will like just have sensors, and they may just check what is running in your mind and they dial the number. This is the quality which make your mobile phone different from another mobile phone. So if you launch that mobile phone, you will make a campaign so that you will grab the attention of most of the people. So this is how we make the business report. The running the business is very difficult. Like starting a business is easy, but running and stable your business is very much important. You have to be updated with the other businesses as well. Nowadays, if you say that if one institute is opening its branch in one area of your city, so very soon they will develop so many other branches in the most of the other vicinities, so that they may grab more and more attention of the people. I do not want to name any of the school, but the last day there was the school with the monogram having red and yellow in it. So they started their business of schools, education, the education sector. They open their branch in each and every corner of the street of this city Multan. This school touched the high skies, but later on they kissed the ground because they opened the branches without any proper recce. Opening the branches is very much easy, but sustainability, credibility, to develop the confidence, to grab the attention and the confidence of the parents is very much important. Let's give another example, that there are so many other restaurants in your vicinity, and if you want to open another restaurant, what you would do? Without any homework or without any preparation, without any outline, would you open the business? No. You will select the place where you find that how many people used to go and come at that street. Then you will find out the choices of the people. Either people are more interested towards the fast food or the desi foods, or they want the delivery at their homes. And in these pandemics, the deliveries at the home is very much common, and the people used to cook the foods at their home and they just drop the food by their delivery boys. So these are the shorter business, and while making the business report, all these things you have to be listed upon, so that you may go in further in a long run. So this is a business report, that how you stabilize your business. As comparison to other, the market report, market is a big scenario. As I discussed and as I told you that in the lecture number 2, which will be the part of this lecture, we will discuss the market report, the making of the market report in detail. But let's make a minor structure of making a business report. When you will be assigned to prepare a business report as an assignment, what you have to do, I will give you a topic, that this is your topic for making a business report. What you have to do, suppose this is your page on which you have to make a report, and keep it in mind that the report must be of 1 or 2 pages, but not more than that, because if it will be exceed then 3 to 5 pages, it will be the market report. Then you will write the date over here, you will write the subject. What is your subject? That opening a new branch, opening or launching a new mobile phone, launching the new washing powder, new soap. There are so many things which you may launch on the daily basis. Like you may launch the new clothing brands, you may launch some new sugar packets, some new eating foodstuffs, like you may start many new pizza, and the different taste of the delicious and the different kind of the pizzas, like many of the pizza are like the round pizza, you may start delivering some. triangle pizza or rectangular pizza, or sometimes the pizza with having the different branches around. So it is that how you establish your business. Now it depends upon your creativity, and where the creativity lies. The creativity lies in your mind. If you are more creative here, you will get more and more ideas out of it. And how do you become more creative? When you listen to others. While creativity is not inborn, it depends upon the society where you are moving. So let's move to the making of writing of the business report, students. You will write down the subject and then you will start writing here. First, you will focus on the reference letter. You will say that with the reference of the letter number 2213, in which you asked me to open to Recce for opening of a new branch of this institute or this bank. So I have Recce and I have searched out that in the XYZ area of Multan need a new branch, and new branch is much needed there because people used to cover the longest distance to swap their cards. So that is why this branch will be much more to ease and for the comfort of the people around there, and we would have more and more accounts as well, and we will run our business more appropriately. Then this is the problem, you are giving suggestions, then you will give the decision, and then there will be the implementation by the higher authority. Suppose if you want to launch a new soap, the soap can be any name. You may say it Corona soap. If you want to start any washing machine or AC, you may start a Corona, because the Corona is everywhere, and very soon beta from the business point of view, the people will add, although Corona is the name of fear as well, the people know the Corona will become the name of products as well. The people will start selling anything on the name of Corona. As you know, last days there was a Turkish drama being played on the PTV and everything was associated on that. Like some of the people started producing some Ertugrul snacks. So it means that when the thing become famous, either in a positive or negative way, people used it in their business. Remember in the previous years, maybe you observed that many of the Bollywood stars, their photos were pasted on many of their snacks, on the many of the pizzas name were on the this is a Shah Rukh flavored pizza because it is his favorite pizza. Many of the things are associated with it, like if Imran Khan, who is the Prime Minister of Pakistan, he wears to a particular chappal. So if you want to buy the chappal name is the Khan Chappal. So it means that your business sometimes depend upon the famous celebrities on the names of that. So this was the topic for today, business report. Your assignment is going to be dropped in your WhatsApp group. See you with another part of this lecture, which will be about the market report. So see you, take care, stay home, stay safe at home, and pray for yourself and myself as well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.